Hey Norm, need your help with this funnel here. So this is our free ads, or the free Facebook ads hack course guide. So this is the membership site that you built out. Um, so I just need your help with what we're going to do here. So you know that we have the black belt system built out in Kajabi. So this is a paid course. I think it's $797 at the moment. So what I want to do with the free course is after someone signs up for it, I want to have a one-time offer on ClickFunnels, so the page within ClickFunnels that then offers the black belt system. So our paid course in Kajabi. So the paid black belt ad system needs to be a one-time offer sale, so that will pop up, and they can get it for $497 just on this page here. So this offer should only last for 48 hours after someone has opted in for the free course. And if they don't want that, they can hit no thanks. And then that should take them directly into the membership access page where they can then build out their, or sign up, create their account, and then access the membership site. So what I need is, can you please configure this second page here in Kajabi, sorry, in ClickFunnels. So this one here, the upsell, the one-time offer. So this page should come up directly after they sign up for the free course. And I know there's integrations with ClickFunnels and Kajabi. I've already integrated a product here. So the 497 black belt system one-time offer sale. So if someone buys it on here, they should get access in Kajabi to it. So can you please fix that up? And be aware as well, I don't know if this might need to be done, but I've set up separate offer pages. So we've obviously got the regular 797 offer and then the one-time offer at 497. So they're both connected. They're both pretty much the exact same, except the one-time offer is obviously cheaper. So make sure that and anyone who clicks through on this page here and that this product, now I've already set up the integration with ClickFunnels, so you won't have to do that. But if you want to set up a product, just to make sure that it's the right one, what you need to do, I'll just delete that out for now. So how you can do that. So we want the product on the one-time offer page. Products. Add product. So black belt system 497. Make sure it's AUD, not US, so Australian dollars. Can you double check what Stripe account is connected to our account on ClickFunnels as well? I think that might be Jeff's one. So if that's the case, we'll need to set up our own Stripe and connect our own Stripe account to this. So can you double check that before we go live with this, so we make sure that any sales are coming into our Stripe? And then when you're adding the product, you can go up here to membership. So then this should be a membership integration with Kajabi. So I've already set that up. So it's the black system one-time offer. Make sure you click selecting the right one. So these offer pages in here. So just go through and just double check this. So it has to be the 497 offer page. So that's how you create the product. And then just make sure that this link here, because at the moment when I click that, how I've set it up, I don't know, it's not giving me any information about the product. It's just doing this, and then sometimes it'll bring up a window and just say your purchase isn't ready or something like that. So yeah, just set the product here to the black belt system. It's still working. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you to do, is just connect it all up. So this button actually signs them up into Kajabi here on this offer. Have it expire after 48 hours, and when it expires after 48 hours, they can just go straight to maybe whatever. Maybe just hide the button or cover it up and say like expired, offer expired, maybe like a sticker over the button and the button kind of blacked out. Or the button, like not actually a button, just put in like an image that looks like a button and it can just have expired over the top or something. Cool. And then the second thing is this page, I just need this to be changed. So we've got the black belt system here. So I'm not sure if we can either maybe just redirect straight. Actually, no, we can't redirect that because we'll be using that link. But take some of the content out of here and then just put it into this page here. So make it look pretty similar. You can kind of leave this top section there, but from this image down, maybe just copy like this section. Yeah, and then put in all these logos here, like clients who have used the black belt system before. Put in the testimonials at the bottom there, and then just kind of copy the content from this page here, but leaving the heading. So don't touch anything from there up, but from here, from the image down, copy this section down, all of that down. Doesn't have to look exactly the same, but just in terms of the copy. And track, can you please keep the width of that box as it is? So a little bit to do there. Please let me know if you've got any questions, but yeah, I really want to get this done by the end of the week if possible. Thanks, mate.